Understanding Perennialism in Education, a guide for aspiring teachers. Hello, aspiring teachers. Welcome to today's Let Review session. This is once again Professor Eric, and it's such a pleasure to have you here. As we dive deep into perennialism in the classroom, one of the key philosophies of education you need to understand for the licensure examination for teachers, or LET. Sit back, take notes, and let's simplify this topic for you. Let's begin. First, what is perennialism as a philosophy of education? Technically, perennialism is an educational philosophy that emphasizes the teaching of timeless and universal truths, knowledge that has endured throughout human history. Perennialists value classical works and skills that help shape the human intellect, fostering critical thinking over temporary truths shaped by trends. Operationally, perennialism aims to create thoughtful, rational individuals by focusing on subjects and methods that are fundamental and enduring. Its classroom is structured, disciplined, and centered on intellectual development, with little room for trends or fads. The idea is this: if it's still relevant and true today, as it was centuries ago, then it must matter. Now let's highlight three of the most important core concepts of perennialism. 1. Focus on great works of literature and philosophy. Think of texts like Shakespeare, Plato, or even Aristotle, sources of timeless wisdom that teach us critical reasoning, moral values, and human nature. 2. A teacher-centered approach. In a perennialist classroom, the teacher serves as the strong authority figure, guiding discussions and delivering structured lessons. Here, the curriculum doesn't just change with the times, it remains consistent to foster deep learning. 3. Lifelong teaching of universal truths and principles. Subjects like philosophy, logic, and the sciences are emphasized as they build the foundation for lifelong intellectual exploration. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see how this philosophy operates in real-life classrooms. Here are three situational examples where perennialism is applied. 1. In the classroom for students. Imagine a high school literature class where the teacher assigns The Republic by Plato. The class discusses moral dilemmas like justice, fairness, and good governance drawn from the text. The teacher encourages students to form arguments and defend their reasoning based on the text, critical thinking at work. 2. In the school for teachers. At a teacher's professional development session, the principal organizes a seminar about classical teaching strategies, such as Socratic questioning or formal debates, rather than focusing on the latest educational apps. This sustains a timeless approach to intellectual development. 3. In the community. Perennialist schools might host public forums or invite parents to seminars where guest speakers discuss universal life lessons, such as ethics, respect, or the nature of happiness, which remain relevant across generations. Did you see how perennialism reinforces the foundations of learning for everyone? To wrap up, perennialism teaches us the value of timeless truths, critical thinking, and structured education. It's a philosophy that molds not just students, but communities by focusing on principles that stand the test of time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to review this philosophy and its applications as you prepare for the LET. See you in the next session, and good luck, future educators. Remember, you have the power to shape minds and build futures.
Thank you so much for watching. Before leaving, please do click the like, subscribe and get notified buttons.